Hey, we're taking a look at mean deviation number 2. Find the mean deviation of the following number set, and we can see here we have a set of numbers properly ranked, and we're going to go ahead and get their mean deviation. But of course, before we do that, we have to get the mean. So, a quick reminder on what that mean is. It'll be equal to 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8. And that whole sum will have to be over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values that are in the distribution. Very important to note that you have to count that 0 as one of those 9. I know it has no impact on the sum, but when we do the division, we have to make sure that we count it. So the average in this case is going to be equal to all those numbers added together, which will come to 36 over 9, which is 4. So the average, or the mean, of this set of data is 4. And so now we have to figure out, on average, how far away are each of these from that mean. So we'll take a quick second and write out all the data. 0, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 6, 6, and 8. And so that's your data point right there. And we know our average. Our average is 4. And we're going to have to go ahead and get the difference between each one of those data points. And that mean or average. So in this case, it'll be equal to -4. 0 minus 4. 2 minus 4 will be -2. -1. -1, -1. 5 minus 4 is +1. 6 minus 4 is equal to +2. And 8 minus 4, +4. So these are our differences. This is how far away each one is from the average. But remember that we then have to translate or transfer each one of those into an absolute value difference, or into basically a positive number. So I'll just rewrite all of those as positives. And the ones that are already positive, of course, stay that way. And so at the end, all we have now to do is to go ahead and get the average of that list of differences, of the absolute value differences of that set. So my mean deviation will be equal to 4 plus 2 plus 1. Notice it's all the positive numbers. Plus 2 again. Oh, caught my little typo there. Okay. And then I have to divide that by 9, because there are 9 values there. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 comes to 17, which I then have to divide by 9, and I get 1.8 repeating. So 1.8 repeating is my mean deviation for that problem.